Guys, let's discuss about Change Arena. Okay, let's go to Change Arena directly. Mm. So this is a gaming platform. Basically, it is built on Ethereum, EOS, and then Tron. Basically, it supports all the three platforms. This game. Okay, if you see at first before you uh, start playing this game, you have to log in. You have to register. You have to go to changearena.com, and then you have to sign up. Give your email ID, password, and then you have to link your email to this game, so that you have to bind it basically, so that you get entry to it. So once you register, you would get a verification code, and then once you verify it, you log into this game. You would start with level 1 basically. I am at level 32 right now, so you would start with level 1, where you will have to go and buy few heroes that you have. Okay, so you can go to summon circle. Okay, and you can either have few free summons which are available already there, or you can buy summons. Okay, so each summon cost is basically current, if you see, 81 trx, and then if you buy it bulk, it is 810 trx, where you get all the new heroes that are in the market available right now. It's all pure based luck that you can get 5-star or 6-star heroes if you want. And then and then if you see, okay, this is a game where you can actually go for battles, you can go for arena, and then you can go for a faction war as well. So it is in depth. I don't want to go in depth in this video. Basically, I just wanted to show how it works and how the battles are done basically. And then other aspect is mining basically, where you can mine the soul tokens which you are seeing right now. I'm showing you the soul token price, right? It is 36 trx per soul token, and it is going good. It started with 23 24 trx when it launched, went down to 16 trx, and now it is at 36 trx. It is growing strength. Yeah. And then so mining is other part where you can mine the soul tokens. Okay, so now if you see, the miner is inactivated. I can go and buy the mine hammer, where I can go and mine the coins. Okay, so when I click this, the mining would start, and this my mining uh, what do you say, rate, that mining rate is around 0.024 per minute. Okay, so currently I am mining around 1.4 soul per hour, depending on the hammer that you buy. So each hammer actually depends on the, the pricing as well. So if you see, it is 27 trx for 1 hour. The rate increases as and when the mining the hammer is chosen basically. You cannot sit overnight and keep mining, correct? So that's the reason why I think you have 12-hour, 8-hour, 6-hour miner, but the cost keeps on increasing, it doesn't decrease. Basically, ideally it is better to choose 1 hour and then keep mining every hour. Okay, so keep that in mind. And but if you want to go to sleep, have a nice 12-hour sleep, you can go ahead with 12-hour miner, but then you have to bear the cost. Okay, so this is another thing. So I'll buy one more 1 hour miner, and then I keep it so that I mine the tokens. Once you mine the tokens, it keeps coming here, it keeps generating the token here. If you see, it's 2.2 soul that I've generated, and you get all the other coins, hero coins, and the gold, and all that is required to increase your hero powers. So basically, this is another staking platform where you can mine the soul, and then go to town hall, go to soul drops, where you can go and then freeze the soul. Okay, I'll just show you live how to do that as well. Okay, when you can go claim this, when you claim this, all these things come to your let's say back office. Okay, so it's gone to your back office, and then you go to soul drops, whatever soul you claimed, you can go and freeze it. Okay, freeze the soul, and then it comes on the right side. And if you see, it is good amount of freezing that has been done so far. If you see, around close to 96% is the freeze rate right now. And then there's good amount of dividends for the frozen soul, 5816 soul that has been, that I have currently have. I get around 2500 trx, 7 eos, and then 0.0052 ethereum. This would increase overnight anyways, because there is still time to pay out. Okay, so there's still soul countdown going on. Okay, and you can withdraw or deposit at any point of time, unfreezing it and back to your wallet, Tron wallet. This is one benefit, and it's a good staking platform as well, Change Arena. in gaming as well. So now let's come to the battle part, where you actually buy your heroes. Once you click on summon circle, and then once you do advanced summons, you get your heroes. Once you get your heroes, you start upgrading your heroes. For example, if I wish to upgrade this particular hero, exorcist, I would go and then I would see the upgrade option is enabled, and the amount of tokens, hero tokens and gold tokens that it requires, and then once you click upgrade, it upgrades. Okay, and then you can keep, depending on the level, you can keep unlocking all these things, and then you can click on equip all to equip all the equipments, and then you can go for a war. Okay, so once you challenge, I'm at stage 11 9 currently. Okay, so you can go challenge your and then you can play this, uh, and then once you click confirm, you would go for a battle. I'll just show you how it does, how it is played. Okay, so this is how usually the battle happens, and then you need to have some aura and all. I think that is at the next stage that we would discuss. I don't want to make this video very big. I want it to be very crisp and clear, so that at least you would understand the staking platform better, and then you can gain out of it through dividends. Okay, let me just go out of this game, get defeated. Okay, oh, I won. And so fast. Okay, so basically you can buy this, you can improve your heroes which you have, and basically you can play these games, improve your mining power. The more the games that you win, the more the stages that you pass, the more the mining power actually. So depending on that, your mining hammer would I mean, mine the token at this current rate, 0.024 per minute, and then you can stake it and stake, and you get all these chests as well to get additional coins which you need as part of this. It's been a good platform. It's been live since early February March, I think so. So it's been 2 months since I've joined, and then it's going good. I'm more interested in staking in here and then getting dividends on daily basis. I keep playing the game as well. Interested folks can go and play the game, improve their mining, to improve their mining power. They can play the game, go to next level. For example, I'm at 11 10 right now. I just won last event, so lucky. So 11 10, so the mining power, if you go ahead and then your mining power keeps increasing. I would suggest to play this game. It's a good game. Of course, it's a little monotonous in the sense you keep doing the same thing over again. If you feel that, you can go for arena battle. Okay, and then Cryptogon, and then Crystal Orb Arena as well. I've gone ahead and played few currently. Okay, so and then Faction War as well. You can go once in a while and play these games. Based on that, you actually get ratings as well. So you keep receiving emails where they keep sending reminders about if any events are coming up and all, and then notice as well any new updates that they are doing. All these are notified here in this, and then you can see the leaderboard, and then Chainopoly is basically more of spin and win the game, like that. So which if you are interested, you can play. And then here alter is basically you want to alter your heroes, you want to confirm, I mean, do a rebirth of your heroes. If you want to replace one hero with other, and or decompose these heroes, basically if you do not require, basically you would keep getting 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star heroes. Basically 2 star would be low in strength compared to 4 or 5, correct? So 2 3 stars you would ideally decompose or exchange with, or exchange or convert them to higher higher ones. So if you should do quick upgrade, if you have 3 stars, 4 stars in your, you can upgrade them directly here. Okay, that's another option that you have. So at high level, I think I might have covered the options as such, what exactly are there, but main intention is for staking, where you can stake and then earn TRX, EOS and Ethereum, and then convert them to TRX and withdraw it to your wallet. Okay, as a passive earning as well. Okay, thanks friends, thanks for watching this. If you like this video, subscribe it. Okay, thanks, bye.